Hi, I'm Jennifer, and I'm here to introduce you to the Duet Ultra Portable Projector Screen, exclusively from Epson. Are you tired of using a portable projector and having to project the image against a blank wall or whiteboard? Without a screen, you don't get all the crisp details in your image, and you don't have to disrupt the meeting to erase the whiteboard. But there is a solution. With the Duet Ultra Portable Projector Screen, you will get brilliant images with a bright white screen, and you can use it with any business or home theater projector, and it's incredibly easy to set up. Let me show you.
Enjoy fast, easy setup with the innovative, patent-pending design. It also includes a floor stand or bracket for wall mount. It's the perfect solution for both business presentations and home theater applications. Expand the screen to the size that best meets your needs. Standard 4x3 or a widescreen 16x9. The bright white screen offers optimal image display.
When compared to a blank wall or whiteboard, images are sharper and clearer on the Duet screen. Breaking down the screen and storing it only takes a few seconds as well.
When closed, Duet forms its own carrying case. And with a convenient handle, you're ready to grab it and go.
How simple was that? The Duet Ultra Portable Projector Screen, exclusively from Epson, the worldwide leader in projectors.
Elite Screens is available worldwide through its corporate offices in the US, Australia, China, Europe, India, Japan, and Taiwan. Elite proudly serves each of its U.S. sales regions through a network of large warehouse facilities. These locations are found in California, Texas, Georgia, and Maryland to ensure that we have stock on hand that can be delivered within 3 business days.
The Yardmaster series is a lightweight portable front or rear projection outdoor movie screen. It's the perfect companion for movie events in the outdoors, such as camping trips, backyard movie nights, picnics, barbecues, DJ events, pool parties, or any other outdoor group activity that demands a big screen projection system. The Yardmaster consists of a black metal frame with T-legs that support Elite's soft Dynawhite variation screen material fabric, with all-weather nylon stitched reinforcements. Dynawhite is a 1.1 gain material with black masking borders to properly enhance perceived contrast levels while elegantly framing the projected image. The wide viewing angle and diffusion uniformity allows the brightness levels to remain consistent throughout the entire projection surface. The Yardmaster includes a carrying bag for easy transport from home to the park or wherever your weekend adventures take you. In any place, outdoor or indoor, the Yardmaster is ideal for your traveling big screen solution. The Yardmaster kit includes all the accessories needed to put up a big screen that will remain secure even on a windy day. It sets up quickly with no additional tools required to assemble the frame. Now sit back and enjoy the show. Sizes are available from 100-inch, 120-inch, and 150-inch, and a 16:9 HD TV aspect ratio. Elite Screen offers a standard 2-year warranty, which is twice the industry standard. As further testimony to the quality of our products, Elite offers a 3-year warranty program for all government, education, military, and religious organizations. Outdoor and indoor presentations made simple. Elite Screens, get the big picture.
If you're interested in buying one of these products, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.